Hey, Five for Fivers. I'm here to tell you about an activity from our Icebreakers and Team Builders to Build Social Emotional Skills box. It's in our activities for discussion, reflection, and evaluation section. So this activity is called hashtag closing. And three main points that I want to point out are that it's a great, quick, intentional closing. Be the change. We believe that a closing and a debrief for the day is important to solidify all of the learning that you've had for the time that you've had it with your folk. You can make it really quick by inviting only 5 hashtaggers if you don't have time to go through everyone. And it's really culturally relevant, where you don't really have to explain too much to most people because a lot of our youth and a lot of our peers know what hashtags are. So hashtag have fun and hashtag tell us all about it. Bye.